Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Iron on Velcro can last a long time on fabric, typically surviving numerous washes. Its lifespan can extend up to a few years, depending on the frequency of use and washing conditions. For optimal longevity, ensure to apply it correctly by following the package instructions, usually involving pressing with a hot iron for a specific time. Remember, washing in cold water and avoiding high heat drying can significantly extend its life on fabrics.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.